Hi, GC News. Nema Olivia Akwawa had the latest and hot news qua enemy Bremo. And so we are subscriber or Modian say over subscribe to the channel. What the other say over click a subscribe button. Now barely notification. We understand you when the first person I want to ever can ASRBD. I feel we are now while I give us a thumbs up now free. Share my offer first now. When you be here now, we are Akoto Ghana Memoir. Afriyie a ensema beto ye proso. NDC National Democratic Congress when kopie we tamale one kwalanchi one campaign na kukudamfo ekopie ho former president John Dramani Mahama on also na NDC one flag bearer chairman General Asiedu Nketia Sammy Gyamfi any MPs to go na one kopie ho na one the assembly etuja na we na Zenator former president that when you never call Baba Zenator also kokasa wase na wodi ensempia. Now, yes, man, you could see one speech is Libya, one edit to go into a year and summer airport, so one summer one to
the man who signed the 1992 Constitution, the man on whose vision and ideals the National Democratic Congress was established. Make some noise for our late founder. And so we have in the house Honorable Dr. Zenator Rawlings.
Thank you.
Honorable Zenator.
Your Excellency, President John Dramani Mahama, once a president, always a president, and the flag bearer of the NDC, permit me to stand on existing protocols for brevity's sake. Choboy! NDC! MFA! Very good. Do you know that the biggest threat to our democracy is corruption? It is not what we are seeing happening around us in the other countries. It is corruption. And this is corruption that has been presided over by this government, this NPP government. But today, what we have to do is to promise one another and to promise John Mahama that we will set the bar high when it comes to zero tolerance with respect to corruption. Fellow comrades, the reality we are faced with today is that our politics has become so monetized that these people believe that everybody can be bought at a price. And we have to prove them wrong. We have to tell them enough is enough. The money that they received from the World Bank for the re-engineering of the Garrett project that they squandered and people are now sharing, that money is not going to make a change to the lives of Ghanaians. That money is not going to improve the economy. The pillars of good governance include transparency, accountability, probity, integrity. But all of these start with us. When we come to power, we must uphold those principles and guard them dearly if we are to protect this fourth republic of ours. Choboy, are we going to make sure that we put an end to the blatant corruption that we are seeing in Ghana? Then we must vote for the NDC. Remember that the people of Ghana hold the NDC to a higher standard. And so what it is that people tolerate from these people, they will not tolerate from us. We are at a precipice with the highest level of youth unemployment, with the most polarized society that we have ever seen, with recruitment that has been happening on the blind side of Ghanaians. All of this is a form of corruption. And so if we are gathered here today to launch this campaign, it must stand on principles that cannot be bought with money. we do need money, but we will not be bought. We must make sure that come December 7th, no one can come to any of our agents and offer them money to betray the people of Ghana. Choboy! Are we going to protect the ballot box for the people of Ghana? Are we going to wait till the announcement of the election result before we go to bed? Each of us has a duty to protect the ballot box. Each of us has a duty to preach the good word of the NDC. On his tour of Ghana, President Mahama has promised to deal with corruption, but he cannot do it alone. We must do it together. The fight against corruption is not a fight for one person. It is a fight that we must all take, which means that whether you are at the branch level, at the regional level, constituency level, national level, wherever you find yourself, whichever part of Ghana you find yourself, we must put an end to this waste of our resources, the squandering of our resources, the theft of our state lands, the nepotism that we are seeing. All of these are making very, very shaky the foundations that are holding this democracy together. Are we going to protect this fourth republic? Are we going to protect this fourth republic? Then we must do so by protecting the ballot box come December 7th.
Thank you.
Choboy! This is a big fight. We must all be above monetization. Do not allow yourself to be misled by the money that people will bring your way. If they could not do it in 7.5 years, the extra 4 months that we have is not going to change the way they do things. Vote for John Mahama, vote for the NDC, vote for your NDC parliamentary candidates, and let us turn this country around and put this country back on the right track. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hey! Actabel! Actabel! Choboy! Choboy! I'm sure you will agree with me that the biggest problem facing us today is that we are suffering. You know, so we are hungry. The economy is not working. You know, so but who better to talk to us about the economy than the man who has been keeping the lion one in check, the darling boy of the good people of Bolgatanga Central. Today he has promised me to speak some Frafra. Choboy, Frafra people here, let me see your hand, let me see your hand. Choboy, make some noise for Honorable Isaac Adogo. Ayesu. Let me stand on the existing protocol and assure you that today the NDC is on the verge of bringing the man who brings credibility, who brings delivery and performance to the office of the president. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is the man. What you see is what you get. I can assure you that with His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at the helm, you are not going to see the president at the two-toll lane selling mobile phones for 1 cedi, 2 cedi. We will find a solution to fix the unemployment of our problem of our country and create opportunity for our youth. Let me tell you that the only political party that has a history of fixing challenging economies in our country is the NDC. Our descendants through His Excellency Zenator Rawlings, Professor Kwesiboche and the rest dealt with a much bigger economic problem in 1983, even after 1 million of our youth returned from Nigeria. Today, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is the only man standing that has the capacity and the experience to turn this economy around. And I'm very sure that the people of Ghana will not regret for bringing this man back to the office. Bolgar Mabokala. Bolgar Mabokala. Bongud Mabokala. Bongud Mabokala. Tani Bokala yo. Tani Bokala. Tani Bokala. Tani Bokala. Naud Mabokala. Naud Maboka. Joma Manchina. Joma Manchina. Joma Manchina. Joma wana ye school is the tongue to bakamela. Joma wana baboya. Tie komalanya school tinge. Via Roma. Ye via irrigation project lati Joma ligri 100 million ta enge Ghana commercial agriculture particularly dila. Joma ma ligri wana maale via dam tie yankora. Ye airport lati ye China tamale zona airplane China Karala. John Mahama Airport, Asanwana. Yes, about Nketia Koma, Imahu Yire, Hospital Yella, Sipti Yella, Ima Yella, Bola John Mahama Nui. I think I'm a Sipti Lambo Bolgala Baha, getting time Ayima Boko, Tebokoduma Kinabila Tebra, get a Bolgala Bongo Talhe, Tie Bolga Tebra Tebala. Ezu, Yakwamalaza Blanca Chini School, Neba. John Mahama etete la sanwa tete come a ela tara 24-hour economy wana. La sanwa tete ela tomat be ira industry. He will bring 24-hour economy as a crack-cutting policy, whether in industry, in infrastructure, or anything that is economic endeavor. We would introduce and make sure that we can do it across around the clock. So Komalakanza tira dame, Komalakanza tira bire. Te komalawanya tomato te komalaka ye tinga kuma tazera kaya ye betwa ye la bolga tuna gebihira to ya botbala ko yakobot bala ya botbe yakobot bala ya botbala be yakobot bala ya sambota bala ya bati John Mahama wana NDC mane wana te bolga tuna NDC ne wana te tongo tuna NDC ne wana te bongo tuna ya bala irpana la get ko mobile phone duma. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, if we see you at tiptoe lane selling mobile phones to our unemployed youth as a solution to rural unemployment, we will sack you from the presidency. One thing I can assure you is that His Excellency will bring policies that will mainstream employment for our youth and bring food to the table. We are suffering from cost crisis. Cost of living is very high, and then you ask your flag bearer, how are you going to solve the problem of unemployment? How are you going to solve the problem of the city? How are you going to make sure that there's food on the table? He says that he will give the youth one mobile phone so that they pay 1 cedi, 2 cedi. We are better visionary leaders in John Dramani Mahama and Her Excellency Jane Nana Ofokwa-Jema. Come January 7, 2025. There will be a new paradigm shift and Ghana will work again. Choboy!
Thank you. The Member of Parliament for the good people of Bolga Central Constituency, the Honorable Isaac Adongo, thank you. Thank you very much.
You waiting for when and someone one day to die NDC one launch one campaign and no speeches the day after when Meka say Jubilee so and now we say we subscribe ya bomodi say over subscribe na like it na fi wa share video no share ma ofofo so na we be here na wo mu ya enko also betimi a kire wa dia fa ye and some we na ho e wo comment box o weti ne kan in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.